So now your last topic is your mirrors and reflection. So every day we are using mirrors at our home to see ourselves. We see our images on it. So what are those exactly? They are not shadows, they are our reflections. So what is reflection? Whenever light is falling on a certain object and it is coming back and it is getting reversed back, as I want to show you. Suppose this is a mirror. What happens? Light falls on it and it gets reflected back. Whenever light is falling on a certain surface and it is getting reverted back, this condition is known as reflection. And same happens with the mirror. मिरर में क्या होता है? योर मिरर इज़ अ ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास विच इज़ पॉलिश फ्रॉम बिहाइंड. आपके ट्रांसपेरेंट ग्लास को जब आप पॉलिश कर देते हो, सिल्वर पॉलिश कर देते हो, अंदर से इट एक्ट्स एज अ मिरर. इट इज़ एन ओपेक ऑब्जेक्ट और ऊपर से इट इज़ स्मूथ, इट इज़ वेरी स्मूथ. एंड देयरफॉर व्हेनेवर एनी सर्फेस इज स्मूथ, वहाँ पर लाइट टकरा कर वापस चली जाती है. You must have also seen several other type of mirrors. Like सिर्फ हमारे घर में जो मिरर होता है वही मिरर की तरह एक्ट नहीं करता है. हम कोई शाइनिंग स्पून है उसमें भी अपना इमेज देख सकते हैं. यू कैन सी योर रिफ्लेक्शन. कोई आपके पास न्यू यूटेंसिल आपने स्टील का नया नया खोला है, आप उसमें अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देख सकते हो. सो देयर आर यू सी योर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑन द सर्फेस ऑफ वाटर. अगर बिल्कुल स्टिल पानी है तो उसमें भी आप अपना रिफ्लेक्शन देख सकते हो. वाई? Because light is falling on it and because it is so smooth and shiny, that is, it is getting reflected back. This phenomena is known as reflection. Now we will see. We also see reflection of other objects in front of the mirror, like reflection of trees, buildings and other things in water, ponds or lake. Now in activity 7, what they are telling you, they are trying to show how reflection happens. So what they're doing, a mirror reflects a beam of light. Even the light is getting reflected. See, the girl is holding a mirror. The boy is focusing light of a torch on the mirror. See, the light source, then your mirror, and then it is getting reflected on the boy. So this is the reflection of the light which is falling on the boy's t-shirt. This activity suggests that mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it, which is very important. So what is happening here? You are changing the direction of light. So light always travels in a straight direction, but you can change its direction. आप उसके पाथ को चेंज कर सकते हो. आप उसको स्ट्रेट लाइन में तो वो भी चलेगी, लेकिन आप उसको मोड़ सकते हो. How you can do it? You can do it using mirrors, as you also do in your classrooms. You take shiny objects to focus light on your friends, etc. So what you are doing, आप लाइट को उसके ऊपर फोकस करते हो and then you are reflecting it. ठीक है? So what is happening? That you are changing the direction of light, and because of that you can see the reflection on their faces or somewhere else wherever you are focusing it. Now here is another activity which shows light traveling along straight line and getting reflected from the mirror. In this activity they have used a comb and a thermocol sheet. Thermocol sheet पे they have fixed a mirror and then they have kept a comb in front, and then they are using torch as a light source. जैसे उन्होंने टॉर्च की लाइट फेंकी, what will happen? Comb will form a shadow. That shadow gives a reflection on the mirror, and then after that mirror forms another shadow which can be seen in this direction. So this is the light traveling in a straight line and getting reflected from the mirror. So because the mirror is in tilted direction, mirror का जो direction है उसी direction में it will reflect back this shadow. Okay, so this was all about your chapter.